In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Gamma app on your laptop in a quick and simple way. If you've been looking for the easiest method to install Gamma on your computer so you can access it faster like a desktop app, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through every step clearly, and by the end, you'll have Gamma installed and ready to use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your laptop browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge because both browsers usually support app installation features really well. Once your browser is open, go to the official Gamma app website. Make sure you're visiting the official site so you can install the correct version safely and avoid any fake pages or third-party downloads. After the Gamma website loads, take a look at the top of your browser, specifically on the right side of the URL address bar. You should see an install icon there. It usually looks like a small computer monitor with an arrow, and that icon means the website can be installed like an app on your laptop. Click that install app icon once. A small prompt should appear asking you to confirm the installation. When that happens, simply click Install to continue. Your browser will then begin adding Gamma to your laptop as a standalone app shortcut, which makes it easier to open later without typing the website address every time. Depending on your browser and device, the installation may take just a few seconds. Once it's finished, you'll be able to open Gamma from your apps list, desktop, or browser app menu depending on how your system handles installed web apps. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Gamma on your laptop. It's a really easy process once you know where to look, and now you can launch Gamma faster whenever you need it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.